What is a brand asset? A brand asset is any digital file or document that is used for branding purposes or marketing activity. The brand assets you will learn to create include logos and color palettes, business cards, postcards, and apparel, banners and vehicle graphics, signs, vector art, and PDF files. These assets are regarded as having value because they make money for the company. Every single company in the world needs someone to create these essential assets. Get CorelDRAW or Adobe Illustrator. Those programs will allow you to create vector art and PDF files, which is what the marketing industry uses. With these skills, the jobs you can get include graphic designer, art director, creative director, animator, entry-level production artist, and asset creator. You could also become your own boss and start your own asset creation company. Transform your creativity into endless potential. Start lessons now and become the greatest asset to every company in the world.